over there smoking that Cali stuff. That what it smelled like. Woo!
Hey, luggage, wheels and deals, hit up the Copart. Money in my pocket, let me see what I'ma cop. I'ma swerve in a lot, get a whip, fix it up. I'm a beast with a flip, yeah, the money don't stop. Sub and like and leave a comment for real. The video's coming, you just wait for the drop. Tell your friends they're gonna share this hill. You can catch me snooping around in a lot. Hey, luggage, wheels and deals.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back at it again with another lit video, y'all. So I gotta go pick up this Cavalier and go get it ready, man. Got to clean it up, put it out there. I just sold I sold the Monte Carlo, sold the Cadillac, sold the Honda, sold the work truck. Man, I'm out of all my cars. I still got a few cars left, but I sold out all the ones I got ready. So man, and then this damn virus shit is slowing down with the auction videos. I mean, with the not auction videos. I mean, slowing down with the auction. I don't know, man. They just slowing down. I can't look at the cars, man. I'm not bidding on nothing if I can't look on them. Look at them. So at Copart, they're not letting people look at the cars. You gotta just bid online and then come pick them up. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it, especially if I got cars, man. So I think I'm just gonna be buying cars off of individuals, because I'm not doing that rolling the dice like that. It's too bad. It's already bad enough I'm rolling the dice buying cars that I don't get to test drive. Ain't no telling what might happen in the future. I got these damn hoodies and t-shirts I need to drop off, man. Shout out to everyone that's buying the merch still. Even Letter Express shutting down, slowing down business for everyone, but I don't know if I'm still gonna be able to make any t-shirts right now. I need to get on Teespring, make it easier for everyone to you know, get their shirts or whatever, and they can ship and do all that shit on there. I gotta get that back up. I had it up there for a month, but I need to get it back up online, man. And I gotta have all my merch. I have my Teespring store set up. But let me see, can I sneak peek and show y'all real quick. So we got this t-shirt. People on rails, the t-shirt. And then we got the Monte Carlo hoodie. Open it. And we got the Monte Carlo hoodie. Back up in the Cavalier. Gone, but I never left. Back where I started with these Cavaliers. To those that's new to the channel, I started off selling Cavaliers, man. I made a lot of money with these Cavaliers. So I'm gonna keep selling these Cavaliers until they just don't sell no more, or before they don't sell no more, when they super hard to sell. I'm gonna keep selling these Cavaliers, man. They're good cars, good on gas, little 4-cylinder, very reliable. I never really had no problems with them. Look at them coming out in that damn Charger, man. Get that little thing out the way. They got a lot of these things closed, man. Half of these things are closed. Oh, that's what they got going on. They don't want people next to each other. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I gotta go way over here. Man, they want people away from each other. So they're saying too many people close to each other start creating this type of virus stuff going on that people can't even be outside together. Oh, this shit's crazy. It's madness. This is madness, man. But the grind don't stop. The grind do not stop. I keep saying that, but it really don't. You know, y'all see how dirty this thing is? And like I be telling everyone, man, how can you hate a man that get up every day and work hard like I do? How can you hate somebody like me? I love everybody, man. We gonna get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Fix this up. Let's get it. So right after the free vacuum, need to get some damn free air in my tires. Yes, guys, I do own my own air compressor, all that. I got all that. Don't feel like pulling it out. Put some air in these tires. Now I pull up to the free car wash. Everything free, y'all. No, I'm just playing. I'm lying right there. This shit ain't free. It's $1 for each. I think for like 3 minutes, something like that. It'll probably take me about $3 for You know what I mean? You're gonna see what it looked like under the, matter of fact, let me leave this thing running. Let me leave it running and get back in here. Look at that. Yeah, thing running. So look how dirty it is. Oily in there. Dirty, grimy. All that. I see all that. And I did not spray no purple power, no nothing, no degrease or nothing. So we're gonna see what it do just with the power washer and soap. Yeah. It's kind of dirty. It's not super dirty, but it's kind of dirty. Go ahead and spray this off real quick. I left a little damage on there. No, I'm not gonna fix the light. I'm gonna sell it cheap enough. I pop this in as much as I can. It's a little off, but no, I'm not trying to make this one perfect. Everything functional. This is a little cheap car. I won't put too much money into it, man. I'm trying to get someone a good deal. Pop that $1 in there one time. $1. Make her holler. Come on, man. This shit ain't working. What's going on? There we go. Got him all sprayed off, cleaned up. Now I'm about to wipe him down. Wipe him down. Wipe him down. Wipe him down. Start spraying everything. Gotta sanitize everything. Don't want to catch no germs. Yeah, right. Y'all know I ain't spreading no damn germs, man. I be touching everything without even washing my hands. The vacuum cleaners, nasty ass vacuum cleaners, the power washer, all that. And there's always money calling me. And man, I might have to answer this one though. There's money on the other line. Y'all see it? Hello?
Hey, luggage, wheels, and deals, hit up the Copart. Money in my pocket, let me see what I'm a cop.
How can y'all wake up and watch my videos and thumbs them down before I even watch the videos? Videos don't even be up there, not even a minute. You already thumbing down. There's a few of y'all out there, man. I don't know what's wrong with y'all. How can y'all wake up and just hate on a man that get up and grind and hustle every day to make a living, man? Something really wrong with y'all, man. Y'all fucked up in the head. But anyways, man, shout out to my whole haters. Shout out to the whole Lucky Nation. We're gonna keep getting money. We're gonna keep doing this shit. Let's get it. Finally made it to my destination. Y'all see it? If y'all interested in buying this car, follow me on IG, Lucky's Wheels and Deals. You can add me on Facebook, Lucky Luciano, but if you want to see what cars I got available and what's for sale, Lucky's Wheels and Deals on IG, man. Y'all gonna see everything early. Y'all gonna see everything early, man. I'm gonna post on there way before. By the time this video come out, this car will probably be gone and sold. Just like the other cars. Matter of fact, let me start this bad boy up. Super gas saver. Got 116 on the miles. Yes, I can sell cars with check engine lights on because there is no, roll this window down. There's no emission or smog test around here. I mean, in the state of Oklahoma. Roll this down. Dang, everyone always texts me. I can't even make a video without money calling on the other line. Roll these windows down, give y'all the full effect. How it look, they're all manual windows. So you don't have to worry about the window motors going out. That's a good thing about this. Let me show y'all what's under the hood real quick. You see it? Looking good, looking nice. They got the 2.2 Ecotech. Everything came out clean. Look how cleaner it looks. Super clean. Remember all that oil that was down there? Made it look like an oil leak was going on. People was adding oil in there and then it was spilling down and start sitting up there. You know, Still being lazy. Get a funnel and pour oil in there, y'all. Let me show y'all what it looked like. Windows down. Step back for y'all can see it, man. Let me take y'all for a little ride. Oh, let me show y'all the inside too. Show y'all the inside. Got everything all cleaned up. All cleaned up. I'm leaving the same floor mats in there. That side don't got floor mats. I'm leaving the floor mats in there. So get up in this little car. The radio working. Okay, that's enough. So let's go for a little ride on the wild side. Go for a little ride, y'all. So, oh, I got my tire stickers. I'm gonna show y'all later on in the video. I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit. Sound like those brakes are scraping a little bit. But yeah, I got them tire stickers for my Corvette. For Zelly, man, they look so clean, so sexy. I'm gonna show y'all, give y'all a little sneak peek, man, before I put them on, what they look like. I'm gonna hop up in my truck. I gotta run some errands. I'm gonna park this thing, man. This thing gotta sell, man. I gotta make some money, man. I forgot what year this is. I think it's a 03, 04, one of them, 05, one of them years, man. I'll put it on the title of the video probably, if I feel like it. I don't know. But yeah, guys, I just want to show you how this thing drives, man. Transmission good, motor good. It's not running hot or nothing. Just in case if y'all want me to ship out any cars to y'all, let me know. I'll give y'all a quote. Please hit me up only if you're serious, and let me know which car. The Cavalier drives, it drives smooth. You know, y'all see it. It gets up. You know what I mean? Drive smooth, man. You gotta get you one of these little gas sippers, man. Gas is like down to 124. I seen the cheapest gas, 124. Man, it'll probably cost what, $10 to fill this thing up? Drive around for 2 weeks. Depends on how far you're driving over. But man, let's get it, man. Let's hop up in my truck and show y'all Zelly tire stickers. Let's get it. I'm gonna pull up in here and call Junior, man, cause I am hungry. But yeah, let me show y'all what I got real quick. Let me stop right here. Hopefully no one will pull up some. I love this truck, y'all. I love it. I love it. Okay. So I wanted to show y'all. This is the Zelly for the 20. Y'all see it? Zelly. So I went with the white letters with the blue background on there. This is for the 19. So it's just a little bit smaller. They labeled me. If y'all don't know, the Corvette 06 come with 19s in the front and 20s in the back. So, god damn, these motherfuckers smell like weed or something. Y'all don't know, I don't smoke. I just say no to drugs, but yeah, y'all see it, man. Got the Chevy sign. So we got the Chevy bow tie with the white background, and then we got the Corvette logo with the white background also. So man, this thing's gonna be fun. It's gonna be different. Put these on. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it's gonna be right, y'all. So show y'all just in case y'all ain't see it the first time. See, we got the 19-inch ones. I think they're smaller. It comes with like a whole little kit. It comes with the glue. Yeah, that's a lot of glue right here. It come with that glue. Then it come with the cleaner to clean the letters. It come with the gloves. What else is coming with this thing, man? Melly already did hers. I don't think I made a video of hers. I'm not sure, but y'all see in the future, man. I already shared the video on IG, Instagram. Just a little sneak peek, y'all. Y'all see it, man. Look at Melly. Look at the wheels. I let him chop one time while you get up out of here. Y'all can't tell me that shit ain't hard. That shit go hard in the paint. Oh shit. I got Zelly out here. I don't care about this goddamn rain. I'ma drive my shit. But here these go. These are for the 19s. Chevy gang. But anyways, y'all, man, I'm about to get something to eat, man. The grind don't stop, man. It's been a long day. I ain't really ate nothing since this morning, like breakfast. I feel like I'm about to pass out, and then with this fucking smell. It smell like they got that ooh-wee. They got them that ooh-wee over that tire stickers, man. They over there smoking that Cali stuff. That's what it smelled like. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, they was over there smoking weed while they was making this or something. I don't know. Unless it's like the chemicals they use to make this. I don't know. Don't ask me. Go ask them. Shout out to the whole Lucky Nation. Appreciate everybody that's buying the merch. And at 50K, I'm giving away $500 cash money. If y'all understand anything that I'm doing, y'all want to conversate with me, y'all want to buy anything, y'all want to do business, man, Lucky Wheels and Deals at IG. Lucky Luciano on Facebook. Yeah, hit me up on there. Please don't call me, y'all. Please don't. I'm very busy. I ain't gonna answer it. But anyways, y'all, just like that, this video's over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky Wheels and Deals, and I'm out. Yay!
About breaking down the dough, not a stole the key. Got a bitch to cool me down up in the booth, cause I might overheat. I can't believe it took millions of views for you to notice me. I can't believe